Oh, eternal fragrance. Oh Lord, you are the one who unites the bride and groom. We pray that your blessings will accompany them until they are united.
Vous transmettra vos enfants et petits-enfants, bonheur et paix, mon Seigneur.
Fragrant